Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am Tamanna and you are watching the Lil Martini. In this video I have created this look which is my second episode of the series Colourpop. If you haven't watched my first episode yet, please go and watch it. If you want, you can find the link somewhere around here. Guys, this series is inspired from our rainbow color palette, so I'll be covering all the 7 colors in this series. That will be my interpretation of color, so please don't judge me on that. So yeah, without any further ado, let's quickly jump into the video. First of all, I will moisturize my lips, and next I'm gonna do my brows with the Swiss Beauty brow pencil, as I feel it's the most affordable and handy brow pencil in the market. You can see how I am filling my brows. If you want detailed version, please let me know in the comment section. Next I'm gonna brush my brows, which comes with the same pencil itself. Now I'm taking this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 25 medium, which gonna prep my lids and will also cancel out all the discoloration on my lids. For blending, I'm taking this foundation brush. You can of course take any of your concealer brush. Make sure you are blending it well. Next up, I'm taking this Beauty Glazed Color Studio palette. To start with, I'm gonna take this cherry red color and will spread all over my lids, starting from the outer corners and blending into my crease line. Next, I'm taking this rust color to fill my crease line and give depth to my eyes. Guys, just blend it nicely so that there is no chalky effect. Also, with the extra leftover product, I am just spreading it all over my lids. Now I'm gonna take this deep orange red color and will apply just above my crease line and will blend. Blending is very important, so make sure you are merging all the colors together. For smoky effect, I'm gonna take this deep brown shade and will just apply on my outer corners of my eyes and also will blend into my crease lines. Now I'm taking this black to give more shadows and smoky effect. I'm applying it very little amount as I want my eyes to look more red than anything else. Just blend it well so that black is not overpowering the look. For highlighting with glitter, I'm using this shade and will apply on my lids. You can also use concealer and do cut crease, or you can directly apply like this. Here I did use concealer and blended it well because this helps in popping out of color. Also, I'm just adding more of black so that I can see smoky effect as well. Next up, I'm taking the Swiss Beauty Gold Eyeliner and will apply it on my crease line. I'm layering it a little bit so that it's visible. Then with the help of any tissue or wet wipe, I'm gonna clean all the mess I created around my eyes. Next up, I'm using this Maybelline Liquid Eyeliner and will apply a very small winged eyeliner. For base, today I'm using this Biotic moisturizer and will massage all over my face. Today I'm gonna also use this orange lipstick to color correct my pigmentation. Next up, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 40 Caramel and will apply on all the places where I have used my corrector, and then I'm just gonna blend it. For foundation, today I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me Superstay Full Coverage Foundation and I'm gonna start with dotting it all over my face. And with the help of foundation brush, I'm gonna spread it out. Now I'm taking this damp sponge from PAC and will tap all over my face to remove any excess product and for a smoother base. For highlighting, I'm taking this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 25 medium. I'm gonna apply on all the high points of my face. and then I'm just gonna blend it out with the same sponge. Next up, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder to set my base. Make sure you are pushing the product into your skin, especially on the areas where you have used your concealer. For contouring, today I'm using this CP Trendy Sculpt with Contour palette, and this process gonna help us in giving dimensions to our face. For blush, I'm using this LA color palette, which has all the beautiful shades, but today I'm using this particular shade on my face, which I feel that it goes with my look, right? For lips, today I'm gonna use this Revlon lipstick in the shade 031, and I feel that it's gonna add that cocktail look kind of thing as well. For highlighting, I'm using this palette from Makeup Revolution and gonna apply on all the high points of my face. For my waterline, I'm gonna use this Maybelline Colossal Kajal, and with the help of same brush, I'm gonna apply this red color on my lower lash line. For falsies, I'm using these lashes, which I guess are extremely dramatic, and I just love them. Next up, I'm using this Maybelline Colossal Mascara to combine both our natural and false lashes together. Last, for my inner corners, I'm using this golden glitter, which gonna enhance my overall look.